Okay, I got a 2021 Lexus RX350. I'm going to show you how to replace the cabin air filter. So this is the glove box. Just press this button to open it. So first we're going to push these tabs in and pull it down. Next we're going to remove this piece right here. Just pop it out like that, and this will fall down. And that gives you plenty of space to get to the cabin air filter, which is just behind this right here. So you take that off. And then you just pull this off and slip this out. This is your cabin air filter. You can inspect it if it's dirty. You can clean it up, get some compressed air, spray it out. If it looks good, put it back in. If it doesn't, replace it. This one looks pretty good. So we're just going to put it back in like that. Make sure the arrow points up when you put this in like that. You put it back in. Next, put that back in as well. And then when we're putting this back in, make sure it's lined up down here, like so. Push it up like that. Pull this down and push it in. And that's how you do it. Relatively easy. Anyone can really do this.